Welcome again to another press conference called here by the Domnik Festivals Committee. Bonjour, messieurs, mesdames, et bienvenue encore pour l'autre conférence de presse qu'on nous a tenu au courant avec toute sa fête pour Mass Domnik pour l'année 2026. Comme vous savez, ça c'est Mass la célébration, Mass qui est plus exceptionnelle, qui est plus traditionnelle, qui est plus belle. On imagine toutes ces L-là. C'est Mass Domnik. Again, welcome to this press conference as we keep you abreast to everything that will be happening for Mass Domnik 2026, the real Mass. Of course, you would have seen the official opening just last Saturday, which was grand, of course, and well welcomed by the Dominican Massive. And we will, of course, be presenting you so much more. An event that would, of course, entice you and keep you anticipating for more and more. And guess what? We will be giving you more. Yes? So thank you again for joining us on this press conference. We will, of course, be expecting one of the biggest anticipated events for Master Dominic. That is, of course, Sunrise. We'll have a representative for that event speaking to us in just a little while. But we'll, of course, begin our conference here this morning with the presentation of a few of our partners. We'll now take this opportunity to call to the podium. And I'm Jay, like myself. In case I did not introduce myself, by the way, I am Mila Joseph Dennis, and I'm calling to the podium. First up this morning, Miss Michelle Joseph, who is the marketing manager at the National Bank of Dominica. Come and join me, MJ, please.
Good morning to everyone present in this room today and those listening to us via social media. A special welcome, of course, to our MJs in the room. I think we counted 3 of them? 3. Okay. My full name is Michelle Joseph, and I am the marketing manager at the National Bank of Dominica Limited. And like many of you, I have grown up with the rhythms, the colors, and the energy that is Mass Dominic. It is an honor here to represent NBD, which has proudly supported for many years. Carnival in Dominica is more than a season on the calendar. It is a feeling, it is a memory, it is movement, and it is the heartbeat of our culture. From the rhythms of the drums to the I thank yous, to the color of the costumes, to the creativity of our people, Mass Dominic is a powerful expression of who we are as a nation. As a long-term partner of the Discover Dominica Authority, Carnival is important to us at NBD because it represents everything we believe in: community, culture, creativity, and of course, economic empowerment. This year, we have proudly partnered with several groups and organizations in the presentation of various Carnival activities, including pageantry, calypso, and special events such as Prime Breakfast and Opulence. We are especially proud of the NBD Flag Wavers Troupe, which year after year provides approximately 100 young girls with the opportunity to showcase their talent through creative dance. Initiatives like this are at the heart of Carnival. They celebrate youth, talent, and community spirit. Carnival creates opportunity. It supports our designers, musicians, band leaders, vendors, technicians, nail artists, barbers, hairdressers, makeup artists, you name it. And a lot of small businesses rely on this season to earn, grow, and of course to showcase their talents. When Carnival thrives, people thrive, and as Dominica's National Bank, supporting people and local enterprise is central to our mission. We are revolutionizing the way that you bank. Our partnership with DCA goes beyond the sponsorship. It is about shared purpose, building a strong national brand and encouraging local participation, and ensuring that cultural events such as Carnival remain vibrant and continue for years ahead. As a bank, we are committed to making everyday life easier and secure for customers, especially during busy seasons like Carnival. Recently, we launched Mo Banking QR codes, which make sending and receiving payments quicker, safer, and more convenient. Whether you are a vendor or a small business or simply a customer on the go, it's one more way we are embracing innovation, digital innovation, while supporting commerce at a grassroots level. We also want to take this opportunity to encourage our customers to keep their customer information up to date with the bank. Accurate information helps us to serve you better and to protect your accounts. At the same time, we remind everyone to remain vigilant and secure. Unfortunately, we continue to see an increase in scams, with fraudsters sending messages and even making phone calls pretending to be from banks and other financial institutions. The National Bank of Dominica Limited will never ask you for your personal banking information via text or unsolicited calls. And this includes your full card details, including your CVV number at the back. And if you feel something is suspicious, we want you to pause, verify, and contact the bank at our various mediums, whether it be by phone call at 255-2300 or contact us at customersupport@nbd.dm. This year, we are especially excited about the direction of Mas Domnik, a carnival that continues to evolve with staying true to its roots, one that honors tradition, embraces innovation, and invites both locals and visitors to experience Dominica at its most vibrant. To the DDA, we commend your hard work, your planning, and your vision. Events like this do not happen overnight, and they don't happen by accident. They happen because of dedication, collaboration such as that with the National Bank of Dominica Limited, and belief. To the masqueraders, artists, and creatives, thank you for carrying our culture with pride and passion. And to the Dominican public and returning Dominicans, come out, participate, support, celebrate responsibly, and enjoy everything that Mas Domnik has to offer. On behalf of the board, management, and staff of NBD, we wish DDA success with Mas Domnik 2026. Let the music play, let the colors shine, and let Dominica come alive with Mas Domnik 2026. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Michelle, and thank you, of course, to the National Bank of Dominica for their partnership. And speaking of partnership, we'll call on yet another partner. Comes from, of course, the Fine Foods Inc. We'll call on Miss Marsha Augustine, who is the marketing manager. Let's make her feel welcome.
Good morning, everyone. I am not MG, but I am MA. Right? My name is Marsha Augustine, Marketing Manager at Trading International Group for Food Services for Dominica and St. Lucia. To the members of the Dominica Festivals Committee, our partners, creatives, members of the media, and all gathered here and online this morning, a pleasant day to you. It is truly an honor to stand with you as we officially look ahead to Mas Domnik 2026. Today is more than just a press conference. Today is a declaration of continuity, of culture, creativity, and national pride. On behalf of Trading International Group, I begin by commending the Dominica Festivals Committee for the vision, discipline, and dedication behind planning and hosting of yet another national observance of Carnival. Your work safeguards tradition while opening doors for innovation, youth expression, and economic activity. By extension, we recognize the Discover Dominica Authority for its leadership in elevating Mas Domnik as a cultural and tourism pillar, one that tells Dominica's story with authenticity, confidence, and global appeal. As it has been said, culture is not inherited, it is sustained. And today, we see that commitment clearly. Trading International Group is proud to support Mas Domnik through a family of companies, each playing a role in preparing the nation for Carnival while serving communities year-round. Do It Center continues to be a true one-stop destination, providing hardware, lumber, building materials, decor, tools, and essentials for both contractors and homeowners, with our flagship store on Goodwill and the recently opened Do It Center Express on Cork Street. Access is now faster and more convenient. From spray paint, glitter, ponchos, coolers, everything you need for the carnival season, for band lunches, pageants, and events, Do It Center helps bring carnival visions to life all in one place. Through Auto Trade, we remain deeply focused on community, youth, and education, alongside trusting vehicle brands such as Nissan, Suzuki, Kia, Hino, Chang'an, and Joylong. We also provide industrial and marine solutions, including Yamaha outboards, bobcats, and Haley equipment, all while operating from a fully solar-powered facility that reflects our commitment to sustainability. Dominica Freight System, based in Canefield, ensures that Carnival and commerce move efficiently through freight forwarding, custom brokerage, warehousing and delivery, and partnerships with eZone, Amerijet, and King Oceans. DFC connects does Dominica to reliable global markets. And this morning I was talking about all the Shein, all the Fashion Nova packages, just to make sure that you have them in time for the carnival season. Dominica Freight System is right here for you. With our energy management solutions, we continue supporting Dominica's transition towards greener energy through solar systems, energy efficient lighting, battery storage, and professional energy consulting, helping homes and businesses reduce costs while increasing efficiency. Our fine foods distribution arm brings added excitement to the season with Stone Ginger Wine and 420 promotions designed for carnival limes, fests, and road moments, including opportunities to win cash and premium event experiences. Through our Fine Foods Inc. Retail, Cash and Carry, Best Price, and Fresh Market, we support homes, restaurants, businesses with quality food, premium products, health and beauty essentials, and pharmacy services. And responding to our loyal customers, our FFI Retail Loyalty Program will soon be launched. You asked, we heard you, and we are on the horizon of bringing meaningful rewards and added value to your everyday lives. And of course, KFC Dominica continues to deliver quality, value, and community support. This carnival season, we invite everyone to flex and crunch with KFC's all-new Food for the Road box, available in store, drive-through, or delivery, with chances to win band packages and events tickets. At this time, Trading International Group is honored to present a token of appreciation to the CEO of Discover Dominica, who is not there with us this morning, but would like to take the opportunity to present to Ms. Vidal as a gesture of our partnership and respect for your continued leadership in advances, Mas Domnik. Yeah? As we close, we invite everyone at home and abroad to join us for Mas Domnik 2026, celebrated under this year's official theme as we come together in a rhythm, creativity, and national pride. We wish everyone a safe, joyful, and memorable carnival. And let us remember, when culture leads, the nation moves together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, MA. And we're happy, of course, to partner with TIG Food Services. All right. Now, we're going to move from MA and officially take you to MJ. We'll now call on one of the artists being featured at Sunrise for 2026, DJ MJ.
Pleasant good morning to everybody. I didn't prepare no speech, so I'm just going to speak my mind. Domnik Carnival is one of the most exciting and thrilling moments. So, wherever you are in the world, ask your boss for a leave if you don't have leave. If you don't have days off, take a sick leave. Tell your leg hitting you and come to Dominica. Because trust me, we are going to go all out. And Friday, Carnival Friday, Carnival Friday, you see how you just put your garbage outside? That is how we outside from Friday. Friday, 13th February, we outside, we in the stadium, and we're not in the forecourt anymore. We are not in the forecourt anymore. We are going to be a mini Creole festival for this year's 2026 Sunrise Dominica. And DJ MJ, alongside my band and MV on the keys, we have a full package waiting for you. As you saw, we opened Carnival this last week Saturday, and it was my first time actually on the road. Not first time on the road in Dominica, but it's my first time actually with a full live band on the road, and everybody was just, excited and just enjoying the vibe, enjoying the music. I didn't hear of any incident. If it did happen, I don't know about it. But first and foremost, I should have started with this. Let's just have a safe Carnival 2026. And just a message to the artists and musicians out there. Just bear in mind that, we're fully aware of the type of music. Booyah music has gone to another direction. And just a little advice to everybody, including myself, which I displayed on the road last week Saturday. Just have a little courtesy and just have a little discretion for the kids and the youth, because they are our future for tomorrow. So let's just, try and mix it up in a friendly manner so everybody could enjoy themselves in a respectable way. This Carnival, this is one of my most important messages I want to share here this morning. Apart from inviting everyone to Dominic and coming to Sunrise on February 15th from 11 p.m. till Juve morning. We rise in this Sunday. I'm not stopping 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. We're going straight to Juve morning. It is called Sunrise, and this is my first time performing on Sunrise. And hey, I got to pull along the sun, because there will be heat in the stadium on February 14th, 2026. Carnival 2026. See you there, Dominica. Boom.
Thank you so much, Brother MJ. We're not only going to take all your sick leave. Make sure you're not seen live, because the cameras will not stop rolling to suit you. So ensure that when you come, you have a better excuse, and which will give you no reason why you would have to lose your job or your daily bread. Because we want, of course, to have you here. We want you to come and enjoy it, like MJ said. But, Elas, if it's all like that, it's in you will. What do you say, MJ? Take it. And you'd have to come without the leg. All right. So, of course, you heard from MJ speaking about one of the biggest events for Mass Domnik 2026 Sunrise. Another event that we anticipate during our Carnival celebration is that of Miss Dominica. And now we'll call on Charlene White Christian, who is the chair of the Queen Show Committee, to give us some brief remarks. Let's make her feel welcome.
Good morning, everyone. To those of you present here in person and listening via the World Wide Web. As Milia said, I am Charlene White Christian, the chairperson of the Queen Show Production Committee. On behalf of the Queen Show Production Committee, the DFC and the DDA, it is my honor to speak to you as we approach one of our nation's most anticipated cultural events, the Miss Dominica Pageant 2026, which will be held on February 12th from 8 p.m. at the stadium. And like MJ said, not at the forecourt, but at the stadium grounds. Okay? This year's pageant celebrates not just beauty, but purpose, leadership, and meaningful impact. Our contestants have dedicated themselves to months of preparation, attending rehearsals and reviews, refining their personal presentation skills, engaging in communication outreach, and building confidence and clarity around the causes they are passionate about. These young women have worked tirelessly to grow intellectually, emotionally, and socially, preparing to represent their communities on pageant night. I am proud to reintroduce our exceptional contestants and the platforms that they proudly champion. Contestant number 1, Denisha Yuzeb from Grand Bay, sponsored by Kingdom Bank. Her advocation is for animal welfare. She will be advocating for the humane treatment of animals. This is her platform. Contestant number 2, Dana Eugene, also from Grand Bay, sponsored by Island Carental, Valvoline, and the Discover Dominica Authority. She stands to form from silence to strength, empowering lives and inspiring hope. This is her platform. We also have Miss Dana Grano, contestant number 3, sponsored by Petro Caribe. Her platform, The Hidden Victims, protecting children in violent homes. Contestant number 5, Sharon Mills, sponsored by Republic Bank. Her platform, breaking the stigma, empowering women to confidently confront PCOS. And contestant number 5, Sancha Tyson from the Kalinago territory, sponsored by Dominica Air and Seaport Authority. Roots and Radiance, empowering both Kalinago and Dominican women through cultural identity. This will be her platform. We extend our deepest gratitude to our sponsors who support us and who have come on board to ensure that these young ladies can fully participate in Miss Dominica. Once again, I will call their names. Kingdom Bank, sponsoring Denisha Grano. Thank you. Island Car Rental, Valvoline. DDA, supporting Dana Eugene. Thank you. Petro Caribe, supporting Dana Grano. Thank you. Republic Bank, supporting Sharon Mills. Thank you. And Dominica Air and Seaport Authority, supporting Sancha Tyson. Thank you. Your commitment not only elevates this pageant, but enriches the lives and voices of these young women you support. This collaboration reflects our shared belief in investment in youth, leadership, community empowerment, and national pride. As we count down to the pageant night on February 12th, 2026, at 8 p.m. at the stadium, we invite the public, our stakeholders, and media partners to join us for an inspiring event. The Miss Dominica pageant is more than a showcase. It is a celebration of purpose, resilience, and the vibrant spirit of our nation. This year, we celebrate our bouillon artists. Thus, the theme for the Miss Dominica pageant, Bouillon Bloom. Tickets should be available by this weekend, and these are the prices. General admission, $65. Seating, $100. And VIP, $250. This year, patrons can expect an enhanced VIP experience, a sophisticated one with a premium look, a bouillon bloom look. Patrons can stay connected to the DFC social media handles, where all this and more will be unfolded. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and we look forward to a memorable and meaningful show. And I urge every Dominican, both here and abroad, to purchase a ticket. Be at the Windsor Park Sports Stadium, February 12th, 8 p.m. to support our 5 lovely young ladies. Thank you.
Yes, of course, this is one you can, of course, look forward to, the Miss Dominica pageant on February the 12th. All right, and we continue, of course, technically into our calendar of events because we speak of Sunrise. We spoke of the National Queen Pageant. Guess what? then we need to speak about Calypso. Yes, Kaiso, Kaiso, Kaiso. Kaiso in the house. We'll call now on the Calypso, as the president of the Calypso Association, Mr. Gregory Rivera, to speak a little bit more as to what to expect for the Calypso season. Let's make him feel, let's give him a Afuawi kind of welcome.
Okay, good morning. Good morning to everyone. Let me acknowledge the staff of DFC, the different partners, media houses, our listeners here, and of course, those who are online. Let me, first of all, thank DFC very much for allowing us to share this platform. Of course, we had a very good time on the road with the different troops. Calypso, after quite a number of years, I think the last time we had a band on the road was somewhere about 1998. And this year, we decided to come out. And of course, we want to thank the DFC very much for facilitating that. This weekend promises to be something great. It is our Calypso quarterfinals. And that's going to be held at the factory at Valley Road at 8:30 p.m. And we are asking the patrons to come out early because that event is going to definitely start on time. In terms of the other events, well, we have the Calypso semifinals, which will be on the 31st of January. And I noticed everybody's talking about the stadium with pride, but I'm telling you that the Calypsonians are looking forward to being at the stadium for both the semifinals and the finals. So we welcome that. Thank you very much. This quarterfinals going to be an experience, and we really want Calypso lovers to come out in numbers to patronize that particular show. We have 32 big Calypsonians. Well, I'm the littlest, I'm the shortest in all of them. But we have 32 big Calypsonians. We have two very humorous MCs in the name of Peter Pross and Lady Star. We also going to have a guest artist because, of course, the bouillon is the thing, and we want to elevate the bouillon as well. So Mr. Ridge, across the bridge, will be joining us on that night as our guest artist. And guess what? We have a very special lady that we're going to bring on stage. Very, very special. When she participated in the elimination, after 2 days, I think she was hitting somewhere about 60,000 views on social media. So we're going to have a special appearance from Lady Bako. Do you know Lady Bako? Lady Bako. So we're going to have a special appearance from Lady Bako on that night. Of course, we have a well-stocked bar. The band is well rehearsed. Calypsonians are pretty much ready. Seating accommodation is provided. We also have the VIP experience and something similar to what is provided at the Queen Show, except that it will be a little cheaper, just $100 for our VIP. We also have tickets available. We have tickets online, and we have our tickets. Tickets were out very, very early, so you can go online at Eventbrite and pick up your ticket. I'm not sure if you may still get early birds, because the early birds were going for just about $20. Of course, our advance ticket, which will end today, is $30. And anything after today, which is after the close of day, you pay $50 for entry, $60 for seating, and of course, as I mentioned earlier, our VIP $100. And we also have pay-per-view at $15 US, so you can look at the show from the comfort of your bedrooms or dining room, especially persons who are residing outside of Dominica. Those of you who are in Dominica, we encourage you to come to the show because that is where the experience will really be. Okay? And of course, in terms of the songs, as president, I took note of the variety of topics. Also, I find the tempo, the range of tempo, a very wide range of tempo. You have the upbeat ones, and you have the slow ones where you have this serious strong social and political commentaries. We have quite a number of that. And we also have some very, very interesting characters. So it is not just about hearing the song, but it's actually seeing the song performed by those characters. Tickets are available also at Bullseye, so you can pick up your tickets today at Bullseye, whether it be seating, VIP, or your regular tickets. You could also pick it up at DPEX, or you may want to reach out to one of our executive members. Call telephone number 618-3794, especially to book your VIP and seating tickets, because those are extremely limited. Our headline sponsors, we are still looking for sponsors. The people who are here, we're still looking for sponsors. But we have our headline sponsors, Flo and Josephine Gabriel. We also have a number for the sponsors, Big Edge, Jungle Bay, Belfast Trading, Fine Food, DBS, Kyrie. So those are some of the persons that have confirmed so far. ICWI, that's the insurance company of the West Indies. So those are some of the sponsors who have confirmed so far. And of course, as we confirm the forwarder sponsors, we will share them at subsequent press conference. So, my friends, Calypso is the thing. Let us come out in our numbers to be part of the fete, because they say Calypso is no longer just coming and sit down and listen in Calypso. You want to have that experience. So we'll have our cocktail tables one way. So persons who want to come for the rum and the party, we have that organized for you. Persons who want to come to sit down and judge, we have that organized for you. Persons who want to come and just hang out with their friends, we have that organized for you as well. Something that I want to say quickly before I leave the podium is that we notice that there are other shows happening around the same time. And one of the shows, especially for the finals, is the Viva. Is it Viva Carnival? Viva Carnival? Yeah, the Viva Carnival. Persons who are holding a Viva Carnival ticket, they will get, and they come to the Calypso finals after 11:30, will get a major discount on the Carnival or the Calypso ticket. So all those who are holding Viva Carnival ticket, or band, as you have to come with your band. As long as you come with your band, after 11:30, you will get a major discount to get to the Calypso finals. Okay? So, my friends, like the other speakers, I just want to wish us a great carnival, violent-free. Let's just enjoy the culture. Let's just enjoy it. Enjoy the Calypso, enjoy the Queen. And of course, when we have a Queen, the Queen will be on, which is Saturday night, Friday night? Thursday night. The monarch will be announced on, well, Sunday morning, because we have some Buyo artists going to take us almost daybreak. So we look forward to an experience this year's Calypso season. Thank you very much.
Okay then, so we can safely say, Viva Kaizo! Yes, all right. So thank you so much, Mr. Rivera. And I'm sure, you know, the patron of Viva Carnival will welcome this announcement from the Calypso Association. Now, we will head back to one of our premium events for Mass Domnik 2020. Was Sunrise, and we'll speak more on the VIP experience. So now we'll call on Mr. Nigel Peters.
Good morning, everybody. Fortunate to ride on the coattail of DJ MJ, Ms. Charlene White Christian, and Mr. Gregory Rivera, because they saved the best for last. All right, so good morning to members of the media, our distinguished guests, partners, and to everybody viewing online. Discover Dominica Authority is proud to present Sunrise VIP 2026. And Michelle and White Christian, thank you so very much. Our theme is Buyo in Bloom. A premium experience designed to elevate one of Dominica's most powerful cultural expressions. Sunrise has consistently pushed boundaries in entertainment and event execution, and for 2026, our VIP experience represents a refined and intentional evolution, one that blends music, culture, comfort, and visual storytelling into an immersive environment. Buyo in Bloom is more than just a theme. It symbolizes the growth, resilience, and global recognition of Buyo music while celebrating Dominican creativity through a nature-inspired aesthetic paired with modern luxury. This VIP experience is designed not to be seen, but to be felt. At the heart of our VIP is a carefully curated space that prioritizes comfort and exclusivity. The area will feature premium cabanas, controlled access, and enhanced decor, which will ensure a secure, intimate, and elevated atmosphere throughout the event. Equally important is the hospitality offering. Our guests will enjoy 4 distinct food stations, providing a range of culinary options, supported by 3 premium drink bars, a dedicated wine, and also a bush rum bar. This configuration has been deliberately designed to reduce wait times and deliver a true premium hospitality experience from start to finish. To further enhance guest comfort, the Sunrise VIP experience will include dedicated service staff, upgraded sanitation facilities, and curated touchpoint amenities such as a makeup touch-up station and hydration station. We will also be on site to ensure that seamless service delivery and an exceptional guest journey will be had. Sunrise VIP, Buyo in Bloom, is targeted at patrons who value quality and exclusivity, including corporate partners, sponsors, returning diaspora, locals, regional, and international visitors. This audience is not only seeking entertainment, but memorable, well-executed experiences. And for our sponsors, the VIP experience will provide premium brand visibility, direct engagement with a desirable market segment, and an association with a professionally executed high-quality event. At the same time, it supports local vendors, service providers, and creatives, reinforcing culture as a driver of economic activity. Sunrise will take place on February 13th, 2026, with the gates opening at 11 p.m. at the Windsor Park Sports Stadium. We are indeed encouraged by the ticket purchases so far, and more details about our cabana packages will be made available soon, so please stay tuned to our social media platforms for more information. Sunrise VIP, Buyo in Bloom, is not simply an event feature. It is a statement about our culture and where it is going and how we choose to present it to the world. So thank you, and we look forward to welcoming you on Friday, February 13th, 2026.
Thank you so much, Mr. Peter. You heard from MJ a little earlier, sending that invitation for those of you who are, or you are interested in joining us from overseas, given any reason you should be here with us. But to do that officially, let me just call on Daphne Vidal, project manager here at DDA, to speak on Dominica as one of the most pristine destinations. Yes? Let's make her feel welcome.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Milia. We'd just like to remind the public of the dates for Carnival. Carnival was officially opened on January 10th. So that was the official opening for Carnival island-wide. And we will be continuing our celebration with various village carnivals or village or town carnivals. And this Saturday, we're all heading to Portsmouth for the Portsmouth Town Carnival. So we want to encourage everyone to join us there at Portsmouth as we continue our carnival celebrations. Carnival will conclude on February 18th, but in between that time, there are a number of fetes and events. There's something for everyone. If fetting is not your thing, Calypso might be your thing. There is something for everyone. You have the people who love the pageant. Miss Dominica is on February 12th. We also have the people who love Sunrise. Sunrise is on February 13th. So we want to encourage people to take part in Dominica's Carnival. The main days, the street parade days, are on February 16th. We have Juve For those who may not like the Vivas and the Sunrise, and Juve is your thing, we have Juve, we have the youth mass, we have traditional mass, and we saw how our senseis came out on the streets for the opening, and they really made an impact. So we want to encourage those of you who may still be building your senseis for February 13th. We want to encourage you to continue building your sensei. I would like somebody to build a pink sensei, and maybe I'll wear it next year. Okay, so we want to encourage that. We also have the t-shirt band on February 16th, and on February 17th, we have the costume bands coming out. And for those of you who may still be thinking of coming to Dominica, there is still space on the ferry. We know there are some groups from Guadeloupe and Martinique who have been thinking about it. We want to encourage them. Vini, nous pas pour zot. Zot a vini, ini l'espace, ini place, asubatola. So getting to Dominica is easy. You can get to Dominica by air through American Airlines. American Airlines has 2 flights weekly. So that's a good opportunity to get to Dominica. We also have United Airlines and Contour Airlines, Caribbean Airlines, Inter-Caribbean Airways, Sunrise Airways, LIA 2020, and Win Air, and of course on Express des Îles. For the Miss Dominica pageant, we already spoke about our 5 lovely contestants who are preparing to put on an awesome show for us all. So we encourage you to come and support the 5 lovely young ladies who will be participating in the Miss Dominica pageant. For Sunrise, we have quite a number of artists on the lineup. We have DJ MJ and MV on the keys, DJ Taffy and Friends, Rio, Trilogy, Guada G, Muddy from Grenada, Ricky T from St. Lucia, Lyrical from Trinidad. We also have Asa Banton, Poodles, Kenny G. We have Eddie, DJ Stella, DJ Big Boss, King James. DJ Big Boss and King James are from St. Martin. We have Rhythm Knockers Band coming on for the first time. And we also have Kwan and Little Boy. And we also have some more artists which we will be announcing soon. So we have an exciting lineup for you for this year's Carnival, Dominica's Carnival, the real mass. And we encourage everyone to participate in Carnival. There is something for everyone. Thank you.
Yes, okay, let me just echo the sentiment here of Miss Vital. Please, again, if you have not yet booked, you know, you should have already done that, right, Charlene? Of course, you should have already booked your ticket, but we're hoping that you can still get, of course, some space on the various airlines mentioned by Miss Vital, Caribbean Airlines, Win Air, Inter-Caribbean Airways, Sunrise Airways, Liat, American Airlines Miami, United Airlines. That is, of course, for those of you who are in the tri-state area, Contour Airline if you're coming from St. Thomas and Puerto Rico. And we don't want to forget, of course, our good friends from FRS Express des Îles. Yes, if you want to join us from St. Lucia, Martinique, and La Guada. So again, we want to encourage you to join us for Mass Dominica 2026. That will be the best experience you'll ever have when it pertains to any sort of carnival celebration. So we look forward to seeing you. Merci, mesdames, nous encourageons encore pour joindre nous, pour participer, pour expériencer plus grand masse, tout ça jamais expériencer en latin Mass Dominic 2026. À la prochaine. Until next time.